Let's understand cash book in this session. If you take every business house, they will have cash transaction as well as credit transactions. Credit transactions will also bring in cash when it reaches its due date. The credit transactions may be on account of credit sales or it may be on account of credit purchases, but these transactions will also get converted into cash when it reaches its due date. So there will be numerous cash transactions which may be direct cash transaction or the cash transaction which gets converted from credit. So when there are numerous cash transactions in an organization, it is better to keep a separate book to record those transactions, and that book will be called as cash book. So in this session we are going to understand what is cash book, what are its features, and what are the advantages of maintaining a cash book. So let me put it here. Cash book is basically a special journal. We know what is journal from accounting point of view. Cash book is basically a special journal which will record all the cash receipts and payments. So it's a special journal. It will record all the receipts and all the cash payments. All cash receipts, all cash payments are recorded in this cash book. So we can say cash book is basically a book of original entry, or we can also call it as a book of primary entry or prime entry, okay, because transactions are going to be recorded directly in the cash book from the source documents. So we'll have source documents. From the source documents directly entries are going to be passed in the cash book. So cash book is nothing but a ledger, because the format or design of the cash book is going to be exactly similar, or it is exactly the same that of ledger, and it will record the cash receipts. It will record all the cash receipts on the debit side, and it will record all the cash payments on the credit side. So cash book is nothing but a ledger. So it brings something very unique. I said cash book is a journal, and I'm also saying cash book is a ledger. Yes, they both are applicable for cash book. So cash book is both the journal as well as the ledger. And what you have to understand is cash book will always have a debit balance. Cash book will always have debit balance. How is that possible? Yes, because only when you have cash you can spend, and you cannot spend without having a cash. So always the cash payments will never exceed the cash available. So obviously the balance of cash book will always be in debit. So to put it shortly, cash book is a special journal which is used for recording all the cash receipts and cash payments. Let us also see what is the advantage of maintaining the cash book. It's very simple. I'll put it here. The advantages of maintaining cash book. Number one is it is going to save you the time and labor. So I'll put it here. It is going to save time and labor. How does it save time and labor? See, when cash transactions are recorded in the journal, lot of time is going to be involved. But when all these transactions are straight away recorded in the cash book, which is already in the form of ledger, you are avoiding a two-step process. Directly you are taking it to the ledger. So when you are recording in the cash book, you have done the journal as well as the ledger process, so it is saving you the time. Second, it will help you to know what is the cash and the bank balances at any point of time. So it will help the owner to know what is the cash and bank balance at any point of time. And the third major advantage is it will prevent the mistakes and fraud. How? By maintaining cash book, every day you will be closing the cash book and you will try to find what is the cash balance as per the books of accounts, and that can be matched with your actual cash balance, right? So this can be matched with your actual cash balance. So this will help to arrest frauds or discrepancies or mistakes, and if at all if there is any discrepancy, they can be identified and rectified. And the fourth advantage of maintaining the cash book is that it is going to help you in managing your cash effectively. So I'll call it as effective cash management. So by maintaining cash book, you are going to manage your cash effectively, because this is going to provide you all information regarding your receipts, regarding your payments in a particular period, so that you can have effective policy of cash management. So there are different types of cash book that of course we'll see in the next session.